Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a receipt note in Tally Prime. First, ensure you have Tally Prime open and your company selected. From the gateway of Tally, you will then navigate to the Vouchers section. This is your starting point for recording all financial transactions, including receipt notes. We'll walk through each step to ensure clarity and accuracy. Once in the Vouchers screen, press the F6 key to activate the receipt voucher. Next, you need to select the correct ledger account where the money is being received, such as cash or a specific bank account. Carefully enter the exact amount of money you have received. Double-check this figure to prevent any discrepancies in your records. Now move to the Particulars field and provide a clear description of the transaction, like payment for services or advance from customer. Then, specify the payment method, whether it was cash, check, or an electronic transfer. Finally, add a concise narration that explains the purpose of the receipt. This helps maintain detailed and understandable records. After entering all the necessary details, press Enter to accept and save the receipt voucher. It's always a good practice to review the saved receipt note to ensure all information is accurate and complete. This final check helps prevent errors and ensures your financial records are precise. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.